Kaibigan natin ang Amerika. Maraming Pilipino na sa Amerika. Mga anak natin nandoon nag-aaral. Doon ang pinapanganak. Like my daughter, an American citizen. I do not have anything against America. Itong Amerikano lang kasi they are psychologically disoriented. Kasi pag ikaw, kagaya ko, pag nagsalita ako para sa bayan ko, itong lahat ng what I'm uttering here is not really for America or for China. It's really, I'm discussing how it would impact on the Philippines should war breaks out. Yun lang naman ang concern ko. Kasi nandito sila at ang nuclear bombs would come whether we like it or not. And I said it would be stupid for us to be so naive to think that there would be no nuclear war. The next war, the first and second war, maybe the conventional explosions. But the Third World War would be an act of destruction for everybody, including China and America. We will suffer, the world will suffer, and I do not know how civilization would thrive thereafter. Mahirap sabihin paano, but the attendant dangers of a fallout, total destruction, radioactive contamination in the land will stay forever. Yun ang mayroon. Kaya it is incumbent for the government of the Republic of the Philippines and of America to come clean. Tell us how many bases that you have established here. And if it is true that it is also in Mindanao, sabihin ninyo ang totoo sa amin kasi aming bayan to. Ang mamamatay ang mga Pilipino. Mauna kami kaysa inyo. We are nearest in distance and more deadly na kayo na malayo. Because you can have the anti-missiles. You can shoot them down before they can enter your airspace. Ang problema ang Pilipinas, what are the stakes for us? Nothing. Kaibigan natin ang Amerika, kaibigan natin ang China. Pero pag mag-away sila, ano ang mangyari sa atin? May base ang Amerikano. Walang Chinese base dito, military base. It's only the Americans who have this practice a worldwide outpost, mga militar na lugar kung saan-saan nila nilalagay. Well, yung iba, too far away, especially in South America, wala masyado sila. But the Philippines is not only near China, but it will just be in a few minutes, the missiles carrying the nuclear warheads would come our way. But of course, there is no debate in this that America would also be sending to China the nuclear warheads. It's a mutual destruction. Pero bago tayo mamatay, kailangan marunong ka mag-assess kung ano ang ikinamatay mo. I said the Philippines will be a graveyard. Kasali ng mga anak natin lahat na. Yung kinabukasan natin, the tomorrow of our children, as a matter of fact, is now in jeopardy kung sakali mangyari yan. Sa Bisaya pa, atin yung pag-un eh. Wala namang mawala kung sisigaw tayo. Explain to us why we will die. I'd like to ask America, why should I die for you? Ano ang binigay ninyo sa amin na pati yung kaluluwa mo, kukunin mo? And China also. Wala, magkaibigan tayo. But you know, wag tayong magbulahan. Kaibigan tayo, pero papabagsakin talaga ninyo yung bomba ninyo because nandito yung Amerikano. Ayaw ninyo, alam ko, ayaw ninyo magdamay ng ibang tao. Especially Pilipinas, masakit sa inyo. Karaming in-check dito eh. And a lot of us are some or in government or had been in government na may dugo na in-check. So yan ang tanongin ko sa inyo. So before you decide to go to war against America, I'd like China also think 1,000 times whether it would be good really to start the war. Kasi pati yung kami na kaibigan ninyo, papatayin ninyo. Papatayin ninyo. My friend, Philippines, we are friends, but I'm sorry, my enemy is in your land, and I have to kill my enemy in your land, including you. Yan rin ang sasabihin ko sa China. So, pag-isipan ninyong mabuti yan, wala na kaming magawa. We are just a small nation.